Okay, quick video following on from the fuel filter replacement on the Civic Tourer. It didn't want to start. I tried cycling the ignition, no good. If you go in the handbook, it will show you that there's a tool, should be in the boot somewhere. This car's come from the auction and there's nothing in the boot. So, the handbook could tell you about it. Basically, there's a cover in the front passenger floor well, and you take that cover off and you're supposed to put a tool in there, use the cap and pump it. I managed to do it with the blunt end of an extension or a cracking bar, and sure enough she started up lovely, no problem at all. This is also useful if you've ran the car out of fuel. It's like a regular priming bulb, it will push quite easily and then you will feel some resistance there, like it's got hard, like all the air's out. Hope this helps you. I'll put a link to the fuel filter replacement in this video, and I'll also put a link to this video in the fuel filter replacement video. Thank you.